What are the alternative ways of writing if-else conditions? This is a very simple question. I hope you already know if-else condition. Here is a sample of it. We have if condition and then else if, and the last condition is like this. Now, if level is software engineer, then salary should be 70,000. If salary is equal to 1 lakh, else 1 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now, there are other ways to write the same if-else condition so that you can minimize the number of lines of code. One is switch statement. Here you will just pass the level like this, and this case keyword will check the value. If it is SC, then salary equal to 70,000, and it will break. This break keyword will take the control out of the switch statement. This is one way. Okay. Now the another way to write this if else condition is ternary operators. This question mark and colon are called ternary operators. Here if level is equal to SC, and that is true, this salary variable will be equal to the immediate option available after the question mark. In this case, if this is true, then salary will be 70,000. But if this is false, then value after the colon will be set to the variable, or we can check the further condition again. Here we are again checking the condition, and if this is true, salary variable will like 1 lakh. And if this condition is false, then salary will be the value which is just after the quotes, and here it is 1 lakh 50,000. So now you know all the three options and you can use any one of them. Now the next part of the question is when to use what. If you have one condition, you are setting only one variable throughout like this. See here in this if else condition, we are only setting the salary variable. Okay, only one variable. For this type, best option is to use ternary operators. Single line of code will do this, right? But when you are not setting just one variable but doing some different things, for example, you are printing something via writing console, console.writeLine here, then ternary operator is not the best option because it is suitable for the setting the values of the variable. Different logic will not fit inside this. For that, you can use case statement or if else condition, and here you can line and write any numbers of lines of logic. Okay, but in the case of case statement, you must have only one condition and checking only one variable. See here, if in the if else condition, if you can see, we are checking only one condition in if and else if, and also one variable value is checked. So it is better to use switch and case because then like in case of switch, the lines of code are less. But if you have multiple condition inside one if condition, for example, multiple conditions here inside the if bracket using and or operators, or you are checking the values of multiple variables, for that switch is also not a good option. Then you have to use if else condition only. So that's why if else condition will because if else condition will accommodate all kinds of condition. So if possible, then use ternary or switch statements. That way your code will be clean, readable and short. But if it is not if not possible, there are multiple conditions and multiple like lines of statements, then you should use if else only.